Okay guys, this is the start of our walking tour. Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay. Dati we used to stay here sa Regal Hotel, Hong Kong, but it is much more expensive, guys. So we are not staying there. Oh, interesting. People in the tram, the special tram. Mukhang sobrang saya sila, guys. Okay, and we're up. Thank goodness for this ano natin dito. Elevator. It is so helpful, guys. It is so helpful.
Let's try a different route. I think we can go through here.
Okay. Alright, here we go. The fun begins. This is Regal Hotel. Good thing I brought my bonnet with me. Parang wala. Mga phone. Ooh, this place looks like maraming kumakain dito. Okay. Doon ba tayo pupunta sa Sogo? Are you telling me we're gonna go back to the Ho Hong Chi one? Or different?
Food here.
Chicken? Hey, back to the Keys Roasted Goose! Alright guys, this is the end of this walking tour because we're here in our favorite stop, Keys Roasted Goose. Check it out guys. Oh, yeah! Alright, bye!